Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to add a link in Canva. So let's get started. At first let's get into Canva app. So here it is. Now click on this plus sign over here. Now you can choose any of this format. Let's go for Instagram Reel for now. You can create any project or you can simply add any of these. So let's go for this one for now. Now, if you want to add a link in this text, so let's go for this text for now. And click on this three dots over here. And if you scroll, you can see this option called link. You can simply tap on this and enter the link here. So here it is. Now simply click on done. So now when one clicks on this text, the link will be opened. So this is all. This is how we can add a link in Canva. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.